Hello guys, this is JSKubing and welcome to JSKubing. Today we are gonna open a Youths in Little Magic. So let's start. So I am cutting here. The package is covered in a black foam sheet and a free cube stand. So first let's see the Little Magic. So it is in a it's pretty small box compared to the my old Tornado V2 box. And it is expected because Tornado V2 is very costly. And this is a cube stand. If the free thing I got in this package. So let's go to the Youths in Little Magic. So it is looking pretty good, and let's open it. And there is this orange thing, and it is empty. Nothing is there. Why is it? And this is the cube stand I got in a Little Magic, and this is the pamphlet how to solve it. So, and now let's get to the cube. It's a bit slippery because it's lubricated, and the magnets are a bit weak. So let me do some. This is after some breaking in, and this is pretty good now, but the magnet strength is still very low. So let's do a cinematic shot. So that's it for today, guys. This Little Magic is very good. Hope you guys like the video, and subscribe to JSKubing. So that's it, and bye bye.